Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming another video kind of similar to one I did on leave-ins like a couple weeks back, and basically it's like these are 3 treatments that I want you guys to try that I feel like at this current moment, the current stage I'm at in my life, I feel like these are must-haves. You know, tomorrow I could try products and it changes my life. And you know, I might trash all these 3 products, but at this moment, these are 3 products that I definitely think you need to try if you haven't. And I think that they are pretty transformative as far as your hair is concerned. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. My normal host, Dash, he is downstairs right now. He might join us at a later time throughout the video. We don't know. We know he, works on his own time. I kind of clock in when he tells me to, and he told me to come film this video, so I guess he might show up later. He might continue to harass passerbys as, they're living their lives. So until that time, let's just go ahead and get right to the video. All right, so like I said, there are 3 products, and I picked 3 products for 3 specific reasons. They all kind of do something different, but all of these are labeled as like treatments, and they're intense. Like, that's what they're known for. These aren't like the milder deep conditioners. These are intense, and I think actually all of them kind of give a disclaimer like probably don't use this consistently because these are more intense products. So with that being said, let me just go ahead and tell you what the first one is. And I'm starting with this one because this is the only one I actually currently have on hand. And this is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This has mefura and baobab oils, and it says it strengthens and protects, and it's for extremely dry and brittle hair. Now, I've actually done a full review on this line in its entirety. That is a lie. I did not do the split end sealer, but the line in its entirety -1. I hear Dash tip tapping. He's coming upstairs, so our host is about to join us. So it says it's sulfate free and it's color safe. Welcome. Oh, so you're just gonna watch over me and yawn? That's not weird at all. That's totally not weird. Yeah, so anyways, the reason I chose this product is, as stated, is kind of marketed as a protein treatment, but it's also extremely hydrating. And one of the things that drew me to this product was most protein treatments will leave your hair feeling more on the brittle side, especially if you overdo it and you're not that comfortable with doing protein treatments. I feel like this is a great product to start with, especially if you're not sure what exactly is going on with your hair. Like, you're like, do I need more protein? Do I need more hydration? I feel like this is a safe bet that's not going to really throw you off one way or another. I will say one thing about this product is this probably is the thickest product, like treatment, mask, deep conditioner that I've ever used in my entire life. It is whipped, and oh my, like, you guys, like, I could just, like, I can't even like squeeze this out. Like, if I just go, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, no product is coming. This isn't going anywhere, okay? This is extremely thick. So a little bit goes a very long way. So for the price tag, I want to say it's around $12. Might just made that up. If I did, we all make mistakes here. I don't make them that often, but we can't all be perfect. Oh, Dash. Bless you. Are you done? I'm not doing this. I'm continuing to film. I'm not doing this. So anyways, you know what I said? Anyways, I definitely recommend this for the price tag, and like I said, it's good if you're not sure exactly where your hair is, and I think it's a great balance between moisture and protein. I do feel like this is more on the weighted side, if that makes sense. So like, I wouldn't use this product and then flat iron my hair afterwards. Actually, I usually don't with, like, I can't think of like any treatment mask that I would flat iron my hair afterwards, just because my hair gets weighed down so easily, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it with this one. I'm not saying you shouldn't, I'm just saying I can't recommend it because it would not work out well for my hair and my hair type, what I'm trying to do in my life and the goals that I'm trying to achieve for the rest of 2019 and into 2020. So that being said, I highly recommend this. I bought this at Target, Sally Beauty, Ulta. I bought this at Ulta. Ooh, I circled all around to get to that. I bought this at Ulta. I do not know if it's at Target or Sally's, but I bought it from Ulta, and that's where I got it from. I don't know how many times I need to reiterate that. And I actually am not hungry. I ate dinner before I started filming, so I don't know why I'm rambling. So yeah, that is that. And I'll link the video of me using this product so you can see it in action. Okay? Okay, moving right along to the next product. I just want to kind of get this one out the way as a second product so you guys, you know, it's gonna give you sticker shock. I was looking it up before I started filming this video. I did not realize the price tag, and I personally feel like I was jumped when I looked up the price tag. It is the Ouidad Curl Recovery Meltdown Mask, and if you are no stranger to my channel, you've heard me mention this a million bajillion times. It's $44 for 6 ounces. Good God. I did not realize it was that expensive. Like, I don't know who I think I am. I don't know why I continue to buy this. Actually, I do, because it's hot fire. But damn, I did not know it was $44 for 6 ounces. That is the most expensive hair product I've ever purchased in my entire life. Like, goodness gracious. Anyways, let me tell you what it does. It's marketed as like an elasticity treatment. So basically, if you're having issues with protein moisture balance, like if you feel like your hair might have too much protein, if you feel like it's over moisturized, maybe it's a little bit mushy, maybe it's a little bit straw-like from the you know, having too much protein, I highly recommend this. And why I use this product, and then also am recommending this the Curl Recovery Meltdown Mask, is I feel like it's more intensive of where your hair can be and where it can take it to. Like this one, I feel like if you're kind of middle of the road, not really sure what your hair needs, but it's not in terrible condition, if your hair is more on the tragic end, I highly recommend the Curl Recovery Meltdown Mask. I said it's $44. It does spread very well. Slip is outstanding. The fact that it's called a meltdown mask, it really does melt your curls down to butter. It just glides through. It is absolutely amazing. I am still feeling the aftershocks of the bomb that is just the price tag of $44. Like, I cannot get over that. I genuinely, girl, I don't know where I've been at. I don't know how I didn't realize it was $44 when I've been buying this. But I did want to kind of just throw in an honorable mention. This is not the same thing. I do think that this is an amazing product, but if you just cannot swallow that $44 pill, I definitely would say try the Mono's hair treatment, and I'll link my my Mono's hair review for you also. But I would say try that, because I think that is comparable. It is not the same. It's not the same, but it's very comparable, and it is a fraction of the price. It's like $10 or $12. So I wanted to throw that in as an honorable mention. But back to the Curl Recovery Meltdown Mask. This you can buy at, I've seen it at Ulta. I think they sell it at Sephora. You can buy it online. It's not really that hard to find. She is pretty ubiquitous as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, she's available. She's available. You know, line is open. You can get to her pretty easily. But I don't know if you want to for $44. But yeah, I'm just putting it out there. I'm just putting it down. You know, you can do what you want. Just leave you to water. Don't have to drink. All right, don't have to drink. But yeah, like I was saying, I highly recommend that one just because of how transformative it is. And this is one I feel like if you are trying to restore your hair, or you are having a routine where you're actively like, all right, my hair is starting here and I'm trying to take it here, like, and I'm, you know, coming up with a routine, I would definitely say try this. This is something, again, that you can't use that often. It even says it on the packaging. Like I said, I don't currently have it on me. I haven't repurchased another one. Don't be rude. I haven't purchased another one probably because it's $44. But I remember it saying like, it has like a time frame of like how often you should use this. I can't remember if it was like don't use this more than once a week or every 5 days or whatever. And it also mentioned something, if I recall correctly, about not using this like immediately before or immediately after straightening hair. Don't quote me on this, okay? Don't quote me on this. Just know that it's hot fire. Quote me on that. Quote it. So yeah, highly recommend. I am still so apologetic about that $44, but girl, it is highly worth it. So if you take nothing else away from this, and you know, if you want a budget for it, I'm just saying, you know, That's all I'm saying. Sure. Anyways, next product, and this is one that I feel like people either love or they hate because they're slightly terrified of it, and that is the Aphogee, gosh, I don't want to get the name. It's the protein treatment, but I get one specific. It is the 2-step protein treatment and balanced moisturizing packet. Now you can buy the two-step protein treatment in like a bottle. I think it's like $20 something, but I never buy it in the bottle. I actually buy it's a 2-pack, so it's everything you need to treat your hair in a 2-pack, and I normally buy two 2-packs. And the 2-pack comes with the 2-step protein treatment and then the balancing moisturizer. And let me just give you all a quick rundown of how it works, because it is unlike anything you've ever tried before if you've never tried it. It is a protein treatment, This is a protein treatment. Do you understand me? Your hair literally transforms to the most brittle and rigid state that it's ever been in for its existence. What you do is you take this product, the 2-step, the protein treatment, and you completely saturate your hair with it, right? Like, so you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled before you put this on here. It's very liquidy, it has a terrible smell, and it's very sticky, but you have to work fast with this product because how it works is when it dries down. So you apply this product, like completely saturate your hair with it, so kind of get how many packs you think you need. And once you saturate your hair with this completely and it's all distributed through your hair, you sit up under a dryer. I've seen people use blow dryers before, but I recommend like a hooded dryer, not a bonnet dryer. Do not use a bonnet dryer. You need an actual hooded dryer that is rigid and not flexible and does not move. You either need that or you need to like just kind of blow dry it and move the blow dryer around. The reason I'm telling you this is once this product dries, it dries hard as a rock, and anything that it is on, if it is on your skin and you have something touching your skin, it is sticking there. You do not want to pull it off. It'll feel like you're giving yourself a wax. This is just a fair warning I'm trying to give you guys, okay? But after you do all of that and you rinse your hair out, once you rinse your hair out, your hair feels so much stronger. Now this is something I only use twice a year. I literally only do this treatment twice a year, but it really transforms your hair. And I feel like this is something that you only want to use, like, I say twice a year even might be stretching it for me, but I feel like I've used it often enough. I kind of know what I'm doing, but I still highly recommend this product. It just does your hair wonders, especially if you feel like your hair is like super mushy and you feel like it's like has like too much hydration, over moisturized, you feel like it's breaking super easily. And you know the difference between your hair breaking when it's mushy or snapping because it's brittle. It's two completely different feelings. And that's just something you learn as you become more familiar with your hair. But I'm gonna link all of these products below. Like I said, I highly recommend all 3 of these products. It's just, oh, and I just like skipped the whole thing. I forgot to mention, you then follow up with the moisturizing packet. That's the second thing, and that's how you kind of restore your hair. But then I follow up with another moisturizing deep conditioner after that too. But the moisturizing packet definitely helps restore your hair after you rinse it. So don't just rinse it and then think you're done. No. Rinse it, then put the moisturizing packet on your hair, let that sit. Then you can feel better about yourself, because if you skip that last step, please do not contact me. Thank you so much. So anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I highly recommend all 3 of these products. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Comment down below. Let me know if you have something that is more cost efficient than that $44 Ouidad Curl Recovery Meltdown mask, because oh my gosh. So if you have something that you feel like this is a hot fire elasticity treatment, it delivers. She is FedEx, she is UPS, she delivers, and she is not $44, please comment down below so we can fellowship, each one teach one. We help out each other. So I think that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Comment any questions you have down below. I think that is it, and we enjoy you being on our channel, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, dude. Yeah, his ear up. That was him saying bye. Okay, bye guys.